Okay, and moving on to our next one with his Architectural Firm of the Year. And Mike, if you'll tell us who's handing this award out.
The Architectural Firm of the Year will be handed out by Adrian Hymans from ECC.
Adrian, come join us on stage to hand out this award.
And we have 3 nominees in this category: EuropaProperty i Partnerzy, Broadway Malian, and Grupa 5 Architekci.
I know it's a hard walk over here, but...
And soon we will know who is the winner in this category.
Yep. Welcome and come join us. Adrian, thank you for helping us hand out this award, and these young ladies will give you the envelope to read out.
And the winner is EuropaProperty i Partnerzy.
Jacek, welcome to the stage. Thank you for helping us this award. Yes.
Someone who knows this EuropaProperty company, he knows it's not me. It's a beautiful lady which runs this company. But I have the honor to cooperate with this company on big project, Tarasy Zamkowe in Lublin, and I've been asked to collect this prize. Thank you very much in their name.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations.